Hello and welcome to Ray K Q&A, the show where Ray Kurzweil answers questions about the future. This week's question: is intellectual property dead?
Although it's true that a couple of kids in a dormitory somewhere could create Google, it then does take a lot of money to bring these things to market, and even creating a movie can cost millions of dollars, and so you need to be able to protect these intellectual creations. Intellectual property protection is important to be able to attract the capital that enables the creation of these. The institutions we have and the laws were devised literally in the 19th century. So the patent law, was 17 years, now it's 20 years from the time of filing. Roughly 20 years, that was enough to give you a portion of a generation of technology. So you'd have a little bit of a head start to protect that investment and attract the capital in the first place. How many generations of technology is 20 years now? A generation of technology is like 1 year, and that's going to get faster and faster. So over the next 20 years, it's going to be dozens of generations, and yet we haven't updated these laws at all. And it'd be difficult to update them because it takes several years to actually issue a patent and have humans evaluate the novelness of an invention. That being said, the nature of technology is changing such that it's really know-how and being able to actually create the software that does something and being able to maintain a lead is important. Actually, patents are becoming less important in many areas. So Google has this great deep learning technology. It's called TensorFlow, and it actually put the whole thing out in the public domain. We've had hundreds of thousands of people download it. We didn't know that many people actually knew anything about deep learning. And it was controversial. It was controversial inside the company. These are the crown jewels. You're going to give it to everybody. But it was actually felt that it would be better for everybody to use it and improve it. And Google, being good at executing, if it actually has its own technology improved by others, that'll be good for Google and the rest of the world.
Thanks for watching Ray K Q&A. Stay tuned for a new episode every Thursday. Click here for more videos from Singularity University. Also, don't forget to subscribe.